Okay na. Hi, Mang. Good day. Happy birthday. Me and your papa knew that God truly loved us a lot when He gifted us with you. You are the most beautiful gift anyone has ever gifted with. We love you so much. Mang, I wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with good health, successful, fills your heart with more love and happy life ahead. Happy 18th birthday, Masako! Enjoy your party! Otan Jubi, umi dito. Arigato gozaimashita.